cookgreatfood.com if you haven't already. Please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and I'm just finishing this off with some sesame seeds and some green onions. We're doing a bell pepper or sweet pepper fried rice. Really, really simple, tasty, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using. Really, really simple this. So, bell peppers there, as you can see I've cut them nice and small. I've got 4 colours in there, orange, yellow, green and red. Some onions, again chopped quite small. Here I've got some cooked cold rice. You can use any rice that you like. I usually use a BASMATI. You may see that my rice is slightly off colour. That's because I put a little bit of turmeric in when I cooked it. But yeah, don't worry about that. You can have straight white rice if you want. Some spring onions or green onions, whatever you call them. Optional bit of fresh chilli. I like that. And then here we've got garlic and ginger, fresh garlic and ginger, and cut fairly chunky. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to put some salt and pepper into it, and there's a few other things that I can talk to you about as we do it. Okay, so you're going to need a pan or a wok or something like that, and we're heating up some oil here. I'm using a sunflower oil, but again you could be using something else, maybe a sesame seed oil. Now just optionally, I like to put in a couple of bits of star anise. And just kind of give it a little flavour. They're going to infuse that oil. Now we've got this on a very, very high heat. And we're going to go high heat all the way. So we're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and our ginger. And we want to just throw this around in the hot oil just for a few seconds. The garlic will change colour first. Sometimes I even like to blacken the garlic. Gives it a nice kind of, well, a very distinctive flavour, which is quite nice. But yeah, we're just getting a little bit of colour on that now. And again, those 3 things together really infuse the oil. So let's go with our onions. I'm using red, but of course you could be using a brown onion or a white. Let's hit this with a bit of black pepper. And I'm going to be adding salt, and the reason I'm adding salt is because I'm not going to be adding a soy or a soy sauce. I'm going to kind of keep this nice and dry. If you add soy sauce, it will colour the rice and make it a little bit more moist, which I don't really want. I mean, this already is just incredible. I love the smell of this. So we're going to go in now with our bell peppers. Like I said, I've got some lovely colours there. I'm going to add that optional fresh chilli. And for about 2 to 3 minutes on this extremely high heat, we're going to just throw this around in the pan. Okay, so still nice and crunchy, our vegetables. We're now going to add in our cold cooked rice. Now it's very important that you use cold rice. If you use a hot rice or a warm rice, it really breaks down very quickly into nothing. And as I've said so many times when I make fried rice, this is called fried rice, so you have to fry the rice. I've seen many people, many recipes, they'll throw this rice around for a minute and then serve it. You actually have to fry the rice. So we're going to go for about 5 minutes, extremely high heat, turning it all the time. I'm quite happy when I get a little bit of blackness or brownness on the rice. That's how much I want to fry it. Anyway, I'll be back in about 5. I just want you to hear that sound. That's the rice frying. That's really important, like I say. See you in a few minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. We've got some lovely fried rice there. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Now if you wanted, you could actually even drop in a little bit of cilantro or coriander to that. Delicious. I'm going to add some spring onions and some sesame seeds. See you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?